deeply. Always one foot on the ground, and by protecting my heart truly, I got lost in the sounds. I hear my